Good morning, and a beautiful morning it is here aboard Costa Pacifica. It's 9:15 a.m. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, 2019, and we have entered the Strait of Gibraltar on our way to our next port of call in a little under 3 hours at the territory of Gibraltar. It'll be my first time ever visiting that British territory, so I'm very excited for another new place to see. And that actually is the final stop on my voyage from La Romana, Dominican Republic through the Caribbean and across the Atlantic Ocean, ending in 2 days in Barcelona, Spain. We're looking off the right or starboard side of the ship now. It's about 8 miles to the coast of Morocco to the south. Got an MSC container ship almost parallel to us here, and a smaller vessel parallel to our rear. Got at least 3-4 more ships on the horizon. Make that 5-6 ships back there, also heading in or out of the Mediterranean Sea. This is my third time crossing through the Strait of Gibraltar, but the first time going into the Mediterranean. My previous 2 crossings were on transatlantic sailings heading out of the Mediterranean and into the open Atlantic Ocean. So this is the first time I'm doing this eastbound, and I believe the first time during daylight. I know last time when I came through here, it was about 5 months ago in November when Mom and I were sailing from Genoa, Italy to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And that was definitely a pitch black night when we came through. And prior to that, I did a cruise from Barcelona to Miami. Gosh, that was back in 2012. That's been about 6.5 years now. And I think that was also at night. I don't remember being able to see anything during daylight, but it may have been closer to dusk than the last crossing. In any case, so here's Morocco, and then we just walk across the ship here, and about 20 miles to the north is the coastline of Spain. So we go from Africa to Spain here in just about 28 miles, and then of course the gap will narrow as we head closer to Gibraltar. We're about 35 miles right now from the port of Gibraltar. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab breakfast and then come back out as we get closer. We're scheduled to arrive into Gibraltar at noon. .56 a.m. and we're now coming into what looks to be the most narrow part of the Strait of Gibraltar. We're looking at Morocco here, 4 miles away. And if you turn around and walk across the ship, we've got Spain 5.5 miles away. So the strait is 9.5 miles wide here. Just 15 miles from Gibraltar territory. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vessels in view. So I'll set up a time lapse here looking toward the Moroccan side.